Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix the OBS Studio error unhandled exception. So if you ever get a crash report, for example, that looks like so. I've gotten CR browser. In order to uninstall OBS Studio, you click down here, go to add or remove programs, and you're going to scroll down to OBS Studio. Click here, select uninstall. You could then go over to the OBS website, obsproject.com, and download another version of OBS Studio. So I can resize my webcam by pressing Alt and holding it and then dragging it like so. Okay. So my desktop audio, I'm going to go to properties, set that to NVIDIA broadcast, and microphone, I'm going to set that to NVIDIA broadcast. So obviously NVIDIA broadcast is a free software. So I have NVIDIA broadcast open here. I set my microphone over here and I added noise removal and toggled it on. Under camera, I connected my Razer Kiyo Pro, I added video noise removal, and then here's my speakers. So that's basically my settings for OBS. I also have sound settings for Windows. So for NVIDIA broadcast for output, and I choose microphone and video broadcast for input. That's separate from OBS Studio, but you could look at my Oculus Quest or my PSVR videos for OBS settings as well. It's pretty simple. Obviously, I have my video capture device as NVIDIA broadcast, and I have my display capture set to automatic for whatever monitor I have plugged in. I have two monitors plugged in. So I could stream over here, I could record over here. So this end part of the video shows all of the OBS Studio settings that I use. I think the most important one is once it gets to the output tab. The output tab, setting that to the output to whatever your monitor size is very important. And setting the FPS, common FPS values for the output. It'll be the next tab shown here. Setting the common FPS values to 60 FPS is the most important. So actually it's not the output tab, it's the video tab. Output's also important because you get to choose like the pathing for where the recording gets saved. But here comes the video tab. So this is what I talk about. Output scaled resolution 1920 by 1080, common FPS value 60. See? So that's basically very important so you could stream and record at the correct monitor size, etc.